One day, sage Durvasa, who was known for his bad temper, was given a garland by a beautiful lady. It so happened that Lord Indra was passing by, seated on his elephant Airavat. On seeing Indra, the king of the gods, Durvasa offered him the garland. Indra took the garland and put it on his elephant. The elephant didn't like the scent and threw the garland to the ground. This angered Durvasa, as the garland was like a prasad. In a fit of rage, Durvasa Muni cursed Indra and all the gods, saying that they would lose their energy, strength, and fortune. The demons were the enemies of the gods and were always trying to conquer them. After Durvasa cursed the gods, they lost all their strength and were easily defeated by the demons. Eventually, the Asuras or demons, led by Bali, drove the gods from heaven and began to control the universe. The gods went to Vishnu for help. But to defeat the demons, the gods had to regain their strength. For this, they needed Amrit, the potion of immortality that was in the Milky Ocean. So Vishnu advised the gods to churn the Milky Ocean with the support of the demons and get their hands on the nectar so that they could drink it and become strong again. For the Samudra Manthan or churning of the Milky Ocean, Mount Mandar was used as a churning rod, while Vasuki, the king of the serpents, became the churning rope. Soon after the churning began, Mandar started sinking. At that point, Vishnu assumed his Korma, great tortoise avatar, and carried the mountain on his back. Many kinds of herbs were cast into the sea during the churning, and many extraordinary beings and objects emerged from the sea. The following things emerged from the ocean during the Samudra Manthan process: Chandra, moon; Parijat, a tree in heaven; Sura or Varuni, goddess and creator of wine; Apsaras; Dhanvantari, the divine physician; Shankh, which Lord Vishnu used for victory; Kaustuba, a rare diamond that is the most valuable jewel in the world; Uchchaishravas, Indra's divine white horse; Kalpavriksha, the wish-granting tree; Kamadhenu, the wish-granting cow; Lakshmi, the goddess of fortune and wealth; and Amrit, the divine elixir. During the Samudra Manthan, Halahala, a pot of poison, emerged from the sea. The poison could have destroyed everything in creation, but Lord Shiva drank the poison and saved the universe from destruction. But Parvati squeezed his neck to prevent the poison from reaching his stomach. Hence, it remained in his throat and Shiva was unharmed. But it made Shiva's neck turn blue. This is why Shiva is also called Nilakant, the blue-throated one. The gods were told to keep Shiva awake during the night. So they kept a watch on him and also performed a song and dance routine to entertain him, to express their gratitude to him for protecting the universe. The next day, a pleased Shiva blessed all of them. This occasion is turned into a festival of Shivaratri. During Shivaratri, Shiva devotees observe a fast, stay awake all through the night. They also meditate and sing the glories of Shiva. Finally, Dhanvantari, the physician of the gods, emerged with a pot of Amrit, nectar of immortality, in his hands. Though the original agreement was that the nectar would be shared with the demons, the gods had no intention of doing so. Enraged that they were not given the nectar for which they had equally worked, the demons waged battle against the gods for the nectar. To protect the nectar from them, the gods hid the pot of nectar at 4 places on earth: Prayag, which is in Allahabad, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nasik. At all these spots, a drop of the nectar fell from the pot, and hence these spots gained mystical power. The famous Kumbh Mela is held at the 4 spots. It was also during Samudra Manthan that Lakshmi arose from the Milky Ocean wearing white garments, holding lotuses in her hands. For this reason, she is also known as Kshirabdi Tanaya, which means daughter of the sea of milk. The day goddess Lakshmi or Mahalakshmi emerged from the Milky Ocean is celebrated as Mahalakshmi Jayanti. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such content.